Garmin, save video. Say.
Dude. Come on, you. 6CL414.
An anonymous email to her boss saying that she was sleeping with a senior engineer on another project. He put a gun catalog on the window of the car. I don't know what this this gesture means, but I obviously understand that it was meant to be threatening. Unfortunately, inside was a subscription card that the company autofilled